Hi friends, my name is Alex. I'm one of the naturalists here at Okeeheelee Nature Center. Thank you so much for joining us for virtual wood duck yoga in honor of our wood ducks returning to the ponds and the nest boxes here at the Nature Center. We thought this might be a fun activity for you to do with your kids, or if you guys are stuck at home, you can still get a little taste of the outdoors. So we'll start in egg pose. Very slowly we begin to hatch out, come forward into our downward facing duck. And we'll slowly waddle forward to the top of our mat. Bend those knees, hatch out of your egg. And we'll come straight into open drake. Flap those wings, stretch them out. And we'll come into our wood duck 2. Quack. On the other side, quack. And we'll jump back to center. We're gonna come into our tree pose, so you can use that hand to help you if you need it. Arms up. Wood ducks do like to hang out in trees, however, they also make use of nest boxes. So we'll come into nest box pose. And then spread those arms out nice and wide, bow forward, extend that leg back, coming into flying wood duck. And we'll come back up to stand, do it on the other side. One side might be a little trickier than the other. Tree pose. Nest box pose. Flying wood duck. And back to stand. We'll take the feet a little bit wider, coming into our hatch pose. And then we're gonna come all the way down into little duckling pose. We'll extend that right arm out, left arm reaches up, stretching those wings. You can wiggle those feathers. Back to center, and we'll do the other side. Then you can just pop those tail feathers down, spread those legs out wide. We'll bend the right leg. And quack. And we'll switch sides. Quack. Bring those feet together. Flap out those wings. And then we're going to come onto our stomachs. We're slowing down a little bit now. We're going to extend the legs, the arms out in front, the legs back. And with an inhale, we're gonna reach the legs up, reach the arms up, coming into our wetland slide. And exhale, relax. Take a breath. And inhale again, reaching those fingers and toes in opposite directions like you're sliding through the wetlands. And exhale. And one more time. And relax. So from here, we're just going to make our way onto our backs. Bend those knees, plant those feet. You should be able to tickle the backs of your heels. And with an inhale, lift those hips up, coming into our pintail pose. Take 3 deep breaths. And with your last exhale, you can lower down. We'll extend those legs up. You can paddle those feet like you're swimming. And with your next inhale, we'll draw the knees into our chest. Give yourself a little hug. Coming back into your egg pose. You can rock side to side, get nice and comfortable. And then we're going to spread our legs out, spread our arms out, coming to lie down in our sleeping duck pose. You can stay here as long as you like. This is the final pose for the class. When you're ready, you can make your way up to sit. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining us.